Hello there, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show you some exclusive modular kitchen or smart kitchen designs. Here in this video you can find 100 plus modular or smart kitchen designs. A modular kitchen arrangement is nothing but a kitchen designed and functioning with separate components. The unique advantage of a modular kitchen is that it can be optimized to meet your needs. Nowadays the concept of kitchens is changing and modular kitchens have become more of a norm than an exception. A modular kitchen is not just about style, it goes much beyond it. They bring convenience, order and add a unique flavor to an urban household. So basically, kitchen is a room or a part of a room used for cooking and food preparation. A modern kitchen is typically equipped with a stove, a sink with hot and cold running water, a refrigerator and worktop and kitchen cabinets arranged according to a modular design. Modular kitchen is an easy and trendy way to maximize storage area with minimal footprint. With the concept of open kitchen and open plans, kitchen has become an indispensable area of impact while working on the decor of your house. Considerable amount of design process needs to be carried out when you decide to leave your kitchen open to be viewed when the people visit your house. Its aesthetical importance begins to coexist with its functional significance. Moreover, if modular kitchen is well designed and planned for the proper space management, a lot of storage can be created even in the smallest of kitchen areas. Though many households have a micro oven, a dishwasher and other electronic appliances, the main functions of a kitchen are to store, prepare and cook food and to complete related tasks such as dishwashing. The room or area may also be used for dining or small meals such as breakfast, entertaining and laundry. The design and construction of kitchens is a huge market all over the world. Modular kitchen gives you way more storage area than your regularly designed kitchen. More storage means more food, right? It has a sleek, clean and trendy design. You can totally own the kitchen you have always dreamed of having while watching your favorite cookery shows. The use of straight line cuts give a minimalistic yet elegant look. Convenience of working, since you have a well compartmentalized storage space and designed space for cooking, washing, storage and electrical appliances, working is a lot easier. You get to choose from an overabundance range of finish, colors, patterns to make your modular kitchen gel with your existing interior theme. Since the cabinets are prefabricated, construction is quick and chances of errors are considerably reduced. Moreover, if required, individual components of the kitchen can be replaced, hence making repair work way easier. Modular kitchen can be cleaned and maintained comfortably and require less efforts. So obviously, a kitchen is the heart of a house, a place where the day of each family starts and ends. Kitchen is the one place in the home where a lot of time is spent daily and preparing the proper nourishment for the family. If this space is organized properly, it makes cooking a simple, easier and pleasurable experience. If you wish to convert your home into a stylish and more functional space, a modular or smart kitchen is the best option available for you. To make your dream kitchen, you can choose from a variety of designs, colors, materials, combinations. Modular kitchens usually come with a well-designed cabinetry which makes the workspace more functional along with easy accessibility of gadgets. Customized modular kitchens are designed to look great along with helping you lessen the load of culinary chores. Modular kitchen design refers to the approach that involves the organization of some assemblies or distinct part of the kitchen cabinets, cupboards, drawers, etc. that can be integrated and configured into a single holistic system, fulfilling various customers' needs. Modular designs initiate the decomposition of complex systems into simple units, stimulating efficiency and flexibility at the site of installation. Actually, modular kitchens are designed in such a manner that they can fit into any size or layout. A modular kitchen helps you to achieve a clutter-free design which also utilizes that given space in a smart manner. The well-designed cabinets come with the added advantage of increasing storage along with being aesthetically more pleasing. Today, many different designers in the market are offering modular kitchen designs which make it easier to choose from, so you can easily find something which will suit your liking. You can easily customize your modular kitchen with a huge variety of color, design combinations and features. Today, you not only have national brands in a modular kitchens but also many international brands as well. Customized modular kitchen offers more provisions and thus maximum storage capacity. Major advantage of the customization is that you can decide on the storage as per the family's need. In fact, you can increase or decrease the space and cabins as per your budget. Normally, modular kitchens have lower and upper cabinets designed to enhance and comfort and convenience. The large and heavy items can be stored in the lower cabinet, whilst the item which you need frequently can be stored in the upper ones. The prefabricated nature of modular kitchen system allows for simple and quick installation on site, often taking no more than a week to complete the procedure. Additionally, the process of mounting also requires less labor. The people were in need of a better space utilizing design for kitchen to match with their modern lifestyle. Modular kitchen seemed like an ideal solution for the issue, therefore, it easily caught the society's attention. However, people face troubles when the popular models failed to fit in perfectly at their space. It was at this point clients realized the necessity customized modular kitchen. However, today modular kitchens come with a wide range which allows you to pick a combination which will suit your needs and your budget. If you want to save on the cost, you can add a basic model and then modify it later with the help of gadgets and accessories. This makes a modular kitchen far more flexible. Better and maximum space utilization is another advantage of customized modular kitchen. Considering the space limits in today's world, it is not a point that everyone could easily ignore, mainly the urban population. Customized modular kitchen designs are prepared considering various aspects. The area measurements and floor plan are crucial parts in it. Therefore, even a small and narrow area can be saved to a well-equipped and fully functional kitchen. A smart kitchen can be maintained easily since it is designed in such a manner that it can be accessed and cleaned from every corner of the kitchen. The only thing that you need to worry about is that you may have to remove the accessories to clean them up occasionally. So you can customize your kitchen depending upon your personal taste and preferences along with the available space. A smart kitchen also offers you the flexibility of being able to contrast and match your kitchens with the theme of the house. Thus, a well-organized kitchen helps you to customize according to your needs as well as to work within the limits of your time. Here I am showing you a variety on contemporary and elegant designs of a smart kitchen. You will also find chic, modern and sleek designs to suit your needs. These different designs will help you find one that suits you the best and also give the beautiful aesthetic appeal to your home. Many times modular kitchens are made up of components which can be assembled or disassembled as per your own will. The assembling and disassembling of the parts allow you to customize your kitchens as per your will. Further, it also allows you to select the individual as well as the entire setup as per your preference. Modular kitchens are available in an extensive range of colors, textures, and materials and designs. Due to their functional nature, modular kitchen models allow customers to change the aesthetic of their kitchen at any point in time. Such design allow customers to render their kitchens with a completely new look by simply changing their cabinets, cupboards, knobs, or backsplash tiles. Flexible and continually adaptable modular kitchens help customers move with the times. When you speak about a regular kitchen, the main items like the appliances will never fully match with the decor of the kitchen since each item is purchased individually. On the other hand, appliances in the smart kitchen fit perfectly, forming a whole unit together. If you are looking to remodel or redesign your kitchen, a smart kitchen is the best option out there in the market. Actually, a smart kitchen allows resurfacing to be done at any point of time by merely changing the shutters to give a new modern look. Smart kitchen act as an effective option in the long run, is easy to maintain as well as easy to repair. You can also clean and repair any part of the modular kitchen easily. Further, you will not have to take further efforts to repair the modular kitchen. However, customized modular kitchen could easily solve the issue for you. So thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will find you to make a perfect and smart kitchen for your home. And friends, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.